Hello student. Now today we will see the next part of this surface area and volume. Next object is cone. Cone means like this shape. Like this one pointed portion is there and base is circular shape like a tent shape. Okay. A cap of joker like this. This is known as cone. Now here this one is indicated by letter L. L means slant height. H this is the perpendicular height and R means radius of base. Now here we have to see three formulas of this one. First one, curved surface area. This round shape area formula is pi r L. R means radius, L means slant height. Total surface area means here you have to take pi r L. Okay, means curved surface area plus area of a base. Base is what? Pi r square. Circular shape, so pi r square. So here in both pi r is common. So here what remain? L, and here one r means L plus r. This is the formula for total surface area, and volume is here 1/3 pi r square h. See, the formula of this pi r square is of whose formula is this? This is the cylinder. If we take a cylinder, okay, like this, and if we adjust this cone, so here one cone, 2, 3. This is the 1/3 part of the cylinder. That's why the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and this is the 1/3 part. So volume is 1/3, 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, these are the formulae. Now we will see the example. First one, the perpendicular height of a cone. First write the given thing. Perpendicular height means this is h. Okay, so h is 12 centimeter. Then slant height L is 13 centimeter. Okay, then here you have to find the radius of base. Very simple. Now for this, if we consider this one, see here, this is L, R, H. So what type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So the Pythagoras theorem formula is L square is equal to R square plus H square by Pythagoras theorem. So here we want this one. So we know the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. So put the value. R is not given. L is 13 square. R square as it is. H square means 12 square. So 13 square is 169 is equal to R square plus 144. This 144 plus, will it come left side then? Minus. So is equal to R square. So what is the subtraction of this one? R square is equal to subtraction of this 25. So therefore R is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is the answer of this example. Understood of this one? See carefully. So easily you will get the idea how to find this one. This is very simple part. So same lesson here you have to study in the 10th standard. So very important part. Now another example we will see on this cone. Now here we have to find the volume of cone. First we will write the given thing. Okay, given thing. See carefully. If the total surface area, it is also shown by letter EST. It is 7128 centimeter square. Radius of base is 28 centimeter. So using this we have to find volume of the cone. Okay. Now for this, first we have to see what is given. Total surface area. So total surface area, if we want volume, we know 1/3 pi r square h, but h is not given here. Okay. So first one, using this one, you have to find the value of h. So what is given? Total surface area. We know the formula pi r plus L. So r we know. From this one we will get L. If L and R know, we can find H, and afterward we have to find the volume. So this is 7128. Pi is suppose 22/7. radius is given 28, 28 plus L. Here we can divide 7 1 the 7 4 the. These both numbers are multiplied with income left side, so it is divide. 22 multiplied by 4, so 28 L. So division of this one, if you divide, so what is the division? So division of this one, it is come 81. If you divide, this is 81. So this 28, if we take on left hand side, it become minus. So L is equal to 81 minus 28 is equal to 53 centimeter. This is the value of L. You can divide this one roughly. Okay. So now we got the L, R, but we want for the volume H. Then we know the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. So L square is what? Now just we found here 53 square. R is 28 square plus H square. 53 square 2809, and we know 28 square is 784 plus H square. This value is plus, take left hand side. Okay, is equal to H square. So H square, this subtraction will come 2025. So square root of this one is 45 centimeter. So we got the value of H. Now we can find the formula for the volume of coal is what? 1/3 pi r square H. So put the value 1/3 pi 22 upon 7. Radius is 28. It's a square. So 28 multiplied by 28. And just we found this is 45. 7 1 the 7 4 the 3 1 the 3 15 the. So what remain? 22 4 multiply 28 multiply by 15. If you will take the product of this one, so you will get the answer 36,960. This is centimeter cube. This is the volume of coal. So very simple, just calculation part is remain. Those who knows the formula, he can find the answer. Okay. Now one more example we'll see, somehow different but simple example. See here, what will be the cost of making? Here you have to find cost to close the cone of tin. Close the cone means base is also closed. Having the radius I, first write the given thing, of the base is 6 meter radius and slant height L is 8 meter. If the rate making 10 rupees 10 per meter square, so here you have to find the building cost. Now here we have to see this one. This coal is like this, no? It is prepared by sheet. This one also covered and the base also covered. Means we want this total area, means that is ST, total surface area of coal. So what is the formula? Now just you have written this total surface area is equal to pi r plus L. So put the value. Pi is given. The value of pi in a curve, this is pi is not given, so you can put 22 upon 7. If not divisible, then we can take another one. Radius is 6. Here 6 plus 8. 22 upon 7 into 6 into, this is 14. So this is divisible. 7 on the 7 2 the. So product of this, if you take, this is 264 meter square. This is the total surface area. We have to find cost. So cost is what? Per meter square is 10. So like this 264 meter square. So you have to multiply this one by 10. So total cost is rupees 2,640. This is the answer of this one. So remaining example you have to solve. Now this year from this practice set, this is the practice set 9.2. Last one 8, 9, 10. That example is omitted, so you have to solve up to the 7th one. So next object you have to see, that is the last object from this lesson, then our syllabus will be finished. That is sphere. Sphere means like a shot put, one round shaped ball like shape. Okay, so this is the sphere. So if we cut this sphere, this half part is known as hemisphere. Both we have to see the simultaneously the formula of this both. So we'll see the formula first. The surface area of sphere. Now we know this is total round shape. There is no total and curved surface area. Okay. So here we have to see only total surface area. Means in a sphere, total surface area and curved surface area is same. So here the formula is 4 pi r square. This part is divided into 4 parts like this. This is one circle. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So one circle area is pi r square. So the total surface area is 4 pi r square. And the formula for this volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Here r cube. Okay, and now here surface area means this is curved surface area, half part of this one. Okay, so it is what of hemisphere, half of this 2 pi r square. Total surface area, this half part, and area of top is pi r square. Okay, so total is what 3 pi r square, and volume is half of this, means it is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. If we take half of this, so it is 2 pi r cube. So now we will see the example. First one, find the surface area volume of sphere. Sphere radius is given. Okay, so first one, surface area. We know the formula is 4 pi r square. Value of pi is given 3.14. Radius is 9 square. So 4 into 3.14 into 81. So this is what surface area of this sphere. So what is the product of this one? 1017.36 centimeter square. You can check it. Okay. Next one, you have to find volume. Volume formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4 upon 3, pi is 3.14, radius is 9 cube, means 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, so if you take the product of this one and division of this one, so answer will be 3052.08. This is the volume, so it is centimeter cube. This is the volume, and this is total surface area of sphere. Like this, some example, more examples are given. So you have to find the remaining part. Okay. Now we will see the another example on the sphere, that is on hemisphere. Okay. One more example, different example on this sphere. Okay, what is given? First see the example. If the surface area of a sphere, surface area, it is 2826 centimeter square. Then find the volume. Now we know for the volume we need radius, because formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So then first using this surface area, okay, it is the formula is what for the sphere? 4 pi r square. Okay. So using this first one, you have to find the radius of this part. So how you can find? Just think about this one. So this is the formula. Put that values of this one. Surface area is 2826. 4 into value of pi is given. It is pi is given in the example 3.14. So here you have to take 3.14. So radius square. These both the values are multiplied. It come left side, so it is divide. Okay, is equal to r square. R square, if you divide these values, so this is what, if you remove the decimal point and after the division, so you will get this one 225. So r is equal to, this is 15 centimeter. You solve this one. So this division comes very simple. Then volume of sphere, we know it is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3, pi is 3.14, radius is radius just we found it is 15 cube. So 15 multiply 15 multiply 15. 3 1 the 3 5 the. Okay. So 4 multiply 3.14, 15 multiply by 15 multiply by 5. So product of this one, if you find this one, 14,130 centimeter cube. So this is the answer of this example. Okay. So very simple, easily you can find. Now one example we'll see on the heavy sphere, that is remaining. Okay. Now see the example given. Volume of heavy sphere. Volume is given 18,000 pi centimeter cube. So find its diameter. So volume of heavy sphere. What is that? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Value of pi is not given. So here you can take, here volume is given in pi. So put that pi as it is. Don't put the value of pi. Here 2 upon 3. This pi as it is. Radius is not given, we have to find. So take this value this side. 18,000 pi. Okay. This 3 goes into the numerator and 2 pi come into the denominator r cube. This pi cancel. 2 on the 2 line the 3 zeros is 27,000 is equal to r cube. We know 27 is a cube of 3. So r is equal to 30 centimeter. This is the cube root of this 27,000 is 30. Now this is radius, but what we want? Diameter. Diameter means we know 2 times of radius. So 2 multiplied by radius is 30. So diameter is 60 centimeter. So this is the answer. So it is very easy. So this lesson is finished now. So solve the remaining example from the practice set 9.2 and 9.3. Thank you.